This is a demonstration of CME Info version 2. CME Info is a database containing the latest child mortality estimates based on the research of the Interagency Group for Child Mortality Estimation. The database is designed to make it easier to collaborate between agencies and national partners. And the database makes the process of estimations more transparent.
Child mortality data are entered into the expert database. The interagency group reviews the data and creates estimates. The estimates are uploaded to a public website called www.childmortality.org.
Now let's take a look at some of the new and exciting features of CME Info version 2. The home page of the CME Info website has a clickable map. Move the cursor over a country to see the under 5 mortality rate. Then click on a country to see more details.
Here is the Mali spline estimate for under 5 mortality rate as of mid-year 2008. The end of the estimate line falls on 193.8. Click on the Data Series checkbox to view the data series. Click on the Legend checkbox to view the legend at the bottom of the screen. The legend box is expandable. The styles of the lines and symbols represent various aspects about the data. Click on one of series of data in the legend to view it more clearly in the graph. Click on another. Click on the Uncertainty checkbox to view the shaded area. Click on the name of the estimate to see a drop-down box to select other estimates. The estimate marked with an asterisk is the estimate recommended by the interagency group. Click on the Compare button to compare data. This screen shows the comparison of 3 estimates for the country of Mali.
Now let us look at some other countries. This is the data series for Canada. The series is the WHO Vital Registration data. Here is the spline estimate for Canada. Now let us look at Bangladesh. Here are the data series. Here is the uncertainty array. Here is the legend showing the data series used to create the estimate. Click on the Series button to see the list of data series. Click on the Data button to see the data in each series. Click on the Estimates button to see the estimates generated for Bangladesh, and the minimum-maximum values associated with the uncertainty of the estimate.
Click on the Compare button to compare the estimates for the countries of South Asia. Here is Burundi. Note the variance in uncertainty. Here is Mauritania. Peru. And, finally, Jamaica.
Now let's look at the CME Info Database Administration module. The database is managed through a collaborative process of data collection, analysis and review.
There are 4 types of users: administrator, tag member, expert, and user. Each type of user has its own access rights to upload and modify the database. Here we are logging in as the administrator. The left column displays the menu options available to the administrator. Let's see what each menu option does. Click on the Series button to add or edit data series. Menu options also allow for the import-export of data series from data entry spreadsheets. Online data entry is supported for all types of data related to child mortality, vital registration, census data and household survey data. Data can also be uploaded from spreadsheets. The data entry process supports entering data for disparities, such as by sex, by location and by wealth quintiles.
Click on the Data button to view the data for each series. The data page allows for data points to be edited. Click on the Estimates button to create new estimates and edit existing ones. The process begins by the selection of the data series to be included in the estimation. Three types of estimates can be generated. For spline, the expert enters the start end years and the series data value weights. For Lois, the user enters the start, end years and the alpha min max and increment. For the life table, the user selects the life table to use for the conversion. Click on the Compare button to compare estimates. Click on the Life Table Graph button to compare a country's data to life tables. Hover over the life tables in the legend to select the best fit.
Click on the Documents button to upload documents by country. Click on the Notification button to send email notifications.
Click on the Transaction button to view each month's database transactions. Click on the User Settings button to add, edit, delete users. This option is only available to the administrator. Click on the Map Settings button to set the colors of the home page map and the data range. Click on the Estimate Settings button to set the color and style of the estimate graph lines. Click on the Edit End Year button to set the end year default for estimate calculation. Click on the Approval System button to track the status of the approval of the proposed estimates by country. When all agencies have approved the proposed estimates, the country name is shown in boldface.
For more information, contact Dansjin Yu, Statistics and Monitoring Specialist, UNICEF Division of Policy and Practice, at this address.